Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is their Dragon's Egg Bath Bomb. So this one, mainly white, but you can see there is a little bit of color to it. This one is 6.3 ounces, and the price is $7.95. And at first it didn't do much when I put it in the tub, but then I saw a couple of these circles floating around. So I picked them up. It almost feels like tissue paper. It's very thin and it does dissolve. And I would say maybe there was like 2 or 3 in the water. And then the bath bomb just kind of sat there for a little bit, but then eventually did get pretty active. And it smelled absolutely wonderful. It has a fresh citrus scent. I mainly picked up on lemon, but other than lemon, it also has bergamot and jasmine as well. It was incredibly moisturizing, and it has a fun little hidden surprise inside. There is popping candy, and at the very end of the bath bomb, when it did break open, they sit at the bottom of the tub, and you could hear it popping and crackling. I think I've had 1, maybe 2 other bath bombs from Lush that had the popping candy, and it's pretty cool. And I know a lot of you wanted me to do the Halloween bath bombs. I wasn't going to at first because there wasn't that many, but I did go ahead and order them. It looks like shipping is taking quite some time, but hopefully they'll be here soon. The plus side of me waiting so long to order the Halloween stuff is that they have some of their Christmas bath bombs out. There's a couple that say coming soon, but I was able to pick up some Christmas ones that I did not demo last year. I think they're new this year. I started doing Lush bath bombs last Christmas, and I plan on doing seasonal ones. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. But here's the last little bit of the bath bomb. So it was really orange in the center, very colorful. And then it's got real foamy again. So it kept like calming down and then being more active and then calming down and then being more active. Kind of went back and forth. Very fun to watch for sure. I like when they're real foamy like this. And I think at this point I was hearing a lot of the cracking and popping. I would say there was probably about a tablespoon worth of the popping candy inside, and you could feel it along the bottom of the tub. But at this point, kind of looks like an egg that got cracked open. So I returned it back to the tub and again got really active and started foaming. And then I was able to pick up some of the popping candy, just white, but it was all along the bathtub. And then I decided to break that open. And that was the Dragon's Egg Bath Bomb. So if you're interested in seeing the Halloween or the Christmas bath bombs from Lush, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.